Tinnitus relief aid. What is tinnitus? Tinnitus is a medical condition characterized by the perception of noise or ringing in the ears when there is no external sound source. This noise can manifest as ringing, buzzing, hissing, or other sounds. Tinnitus is not a disease itself, but rather a symptom of an underlying issue which can be related to various factors, including exposure to loud noise, age-related hearing loss, earwax blockage, or certain medical conditions. Tinnitus can be temporary or chronic and can be bothersome for those who experience it, affecting their quality of life. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional if you have persistent tinnitus, as it may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Approach details. Our mission is to develop earbuds that use the active noise cancellation principles. These advanced earbuds will generate a counterwave that are exact opposite in terms of phase of the specific tinnitus frequency, thus effectively mitigating the intrusive and often distressing internal sounds originating from the brain. Our innovation holds significant promise, providing a comprehensive solution for tinnitus sufferers. This is how our product works. First, it detects and matches the tinnitus frequency of the patient. Then it creates a counter wave from the identified tinnitus waveform. These two steps is done in our software. Then feeding of signal to the device is done. The device produces the sound wave of the input signal. The tinnitus sound gets added with the input sound and gets neutralized. Use cases. These can be used as sleep aids to create a more relaxing and distraction-free environment, promoting better sleep quality. It can be used during activities that require concentration or relaxation, such as reading, working, or meditating, to reduce the impact of tinnitus and improve focus. They can improve the overall quality of life for old people by reducing the impact of tinnitus on their daily activities.